First, call 911. Have law enforcement arrive at the accident scene and take a report. Exchange information, your information, with the other driver. So you have their name, their address, their contact information, and hopefully their insurance information if they have insurance coverage. If you're able to, take photographs using your cellular phone so you can document the appearance at the accident scene, as well as how your motorcycle appears, any damage to that, any damage to the vehicle that struck your motorcycle, and if there are any witnesses that have come forward at the accident scene, try and take down their names if possible.